more than a statement, it's a way of life. So ambitious. The Mr. Jackson talking. Never forget who you are, little star.
So the live version of Little Star, it actually I felt like sound better than the record.